Is your pump getting louder? That's not just wear and tear. It's your system trying to talk. In this episode, we'll decode what pump noise really means, and how to make it stop. Common sources of pump noise. 1. Cavitation, caused by low inlet pressure or improper NPSH. Sound, popping or gravel-like rattle. Risk, impeller damage. 2. Vibration, resonance, from bad foundations, unbalanced shafts, or misaligned piping. Sound, constant humming, shaking. Risk, loosening of connections and seal failures. 3. Mechanical misalignment, coupling or motor axis is off. Sound, irregular knocking or ticking. Risk, bearing failure. 4. Pipe hydraulics, elbows too close to inlets, sudden pressure changes. Sound, whooshing or slamming. Risk, water hammer or flow instability. How to reduce noise. Ensure proper NPSH available. Use flexible couplings and vibration isolators. Align shafts with laser tools. Place pumps on solid, leveled concrete bases. Add pulsation dampeners or air chambers when needed. Noise isn't just about comfort. It's about efficiency, maintenance cost, and equipment life. Solve the noise, and you solve the deeper issue. We don't just reduce decibels. We enhance quiet performance at Fluidemy by Ebitt.